that's perfect, Dolly. Very well done. Yes, you are a pretty girl. We love you. Oh, when you close your eyes like that, I think you're just going to sleep all of a sudden, Dolly. What are you thinking? Pretty girl. What are the other words we like to say? You like to say gecko, remember? Gecko? Yeah. We haven't heard him yet, though, have we? Yeah. Well, yeah, and hello to the good people. Always, always send our love to the good people. Yes, Dolly. She's adorable. What? Hello, Dolly. Don't get loud on that one. I know she can get a little carried away with that and like just go a little bit nuts on the what thing. Pretty. Yes, you are. You say that to all the beautiful people. You tell them they're beautiful and give them a wolf whistle. Give all the good people some love. Yeah, that's what we're here for. Hey, yes, Dolly. Yeah, tell the good people they're pretty. Yeah. Whoa. She does it better than me. What can I say? I can't really whistle. Not properly. Hello, Dolly. Gecko. Oh. You tricked me then, Dolly. What happened to the woo? Is that going to come yet? Is that to come? You are a funny girl. Is that Gecko? Excuse me. Oh, I hate to cough. I don't want to have to restart this because Dolly's having the most wonderful chat. You know. Hello, Dolly. Yeah. It's raining here right now in Queensland, Australia. It is coming into our winter. It is raining, but the funny thing about that is our rainy season is summer, not winter. So very amusing. Okay. Anyway, so it's cold here right now. So that's why she's puffed herself up a bit, and I've got the blanket halfway around her. Well, most of the way, sorry, 3/4 of the way around. And excuse me, I've got a little thing in my throat here. I don't know what. But I don't want to have to restart this video because it's just so cute to watch our Dolly doing her natural thing, which now is having a big scratch of her tummy. I was thinking she wanted to go to sleep because of the time now, but as you can see, she's in a good old mood. She's something stuck to her beak. I think it's gone. And she's watching TV. She's watching Seinfeld. Well, yes, she's watching Seinfeld. What was that? Where's the woo? 1, 2, 3, 4. You make me laugh. For a little bird, you make me laugh a lot. Yes, you do. Hello, Dolly. So when Dolly's not in a talking mode like this, I cannot make her talk. It's not as if I can say, hey, start talking to her and she'll converse back. It's not like that. But when she's in the mood, like as you can hear, guys, it's just so much fun. Yes, Dolly, you're a lot of fun, aren't you, sweetie? You are a lot of fun, Dolly. You are. You're a funny girl. I tell you, you're a funny girl. Are you going to count? You haven't been. Not yet? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, thank you, darling. You sweetie. You counting? Are you counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gecko. Okay. Okay, don't get too loud. Oh, I know. You get a little excited with that sound. Yes, Tom. The geckos aren't out yet. They should be out soon. There's a moth up there. That will be one gecko's dinner. Don't know how the moth got in, but it's not going to... It's up high. Yes, Dolly. You tell us all about it because you're a very wise bird. So that's a magpie. Oh, that's a loud bird. Is that Dolly getting a little loud? Okay. I love you, Dolly. Pretty girl. Would you like to say, because it's nearly 10 minutes, Dolly. Yeah, good night, Dolly. Good night to the good people. Would you like to say good night, good people? Yeah, good night, Dolly. Good night, Dolly. Yeah, good night, good people. Or good day, good people. Yeah, guess what you could say to the good people? They'll love to hear that. And pretty boy. Pretty girl, pretty boy. She says pretty boy sometimes, and we haven't actually taught her that. Well, it might just sound like pretty boy. Okay, now it's time for a snack after all that, Dolly. Yeah? Oh no, just a bit close to the TV. Oh, it is. Well, we won't watch you eat because that would be like a bit rude of us to watch you eat. So. All right, well, you get the last word in, Dolly. Goodbye to the good people while you're having a snack. That's so cute. That's so cute, Dolly. I love you. Bye, Dolly. Bye, good people. Take care out there. Be safe. Bye, guys.